Hey guys, Transformers 94 back with another video. Here I have Nightbird and Titans Return Trigger Happy. I also purchased these two today for $5 each, which is a great steal. Tell me what you guys think about them, if it was a good deal or not. Nightbird looks so cool in her vehicle mode and her robot mode. I always wanted Trigger Happy because I have Titans Return Metal Hawk as well. And you know they got the same mode, jet mode, Cybertron jet mode, and they both look great. And here you guys go. Hope you enjoy.